The battery's dead. I was gonna sit on the tailgate and tell you guys about my whole weekend. Thought it'd be a cool spot to do it. Battery's dead. I can't roll the window down. Alright. What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to the channel. The very first of very many videos for 2018. So I just got back from a camping trip over the weekend and I was not going to film anything. I was just going to take some pictures and just kind of relax for the weekend. But I'm so glad that I did film because there were just so many little things that happened over the weekend that were just so fun. For example, Carson brought a Christmas tree out of the desert and he didn't have any straps for it, but he did have a yarn. Yeah. This is how Carson gets a tree to the desert.
Yarn. I made it work, baby. That is how it's done.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just do a couple knots. Hey, that's sick.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I mean, yes it is because you got it here, but...
I'm impressed.
And Sammy brought those seat things. If you guys have seen the new type of things that you can bring to the beach, you basically have to run, collect air, and then trap the air inside, and that's how you blow it up. We had quite an adventure trying to figure those things out.
Don't forget to skip. Skip more. You're not skipping. Yeah, there you go.
There it is.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Your foot, it's full. It totally worked.
What if you blew it up most of the way and then used your mouth for their ass?
Aww.
France. Good job.
Hey now. Hey now.
Hey, it'll work, yo.
It was all in the prance.
It'll work.
See how it looks.
Wow.
Oh, dude, that looks comfy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you have enough
Super comfy.
And the highlight of the night had to be burning down that Christmas tree that Carson brought. All right, we are.
Dude.
Got the shovel. We are about to light up a Christmas tree.
Just made that shovel.
Really?
He's buried a lot of it.
This thing's gonna go up so fast since it's
Oh, I'm excited.
Dude, 2017 was a weird one. The 6 to 8 foot range, I believe, at a
Perfect. Good old Noble fir or Douglas fir?
Douglas fir.
There you go.
Bye, Doug.
Underage. That's provided to the underage. There you go.
There we go.
Pacifico tree. Clamps off.
Alright.
You ready, Molly?
Going dark.
Oh!
That is bright.
Happy holidays!
Bring them
For
in.
your sacrifice.
And then the next morning, Max made a killer breakfast for all of us, and then we just went and hiked and explored and had a good time. I'm just gonna throw all of that together for you guys right now and make a sick little montage. That was way too much energy. Way too early.
Across the ocean, I was trying to hide from my emotions, but now they're here to confront. Breathing in my neck, they're catching up. Ooh, simple as I try to make things just don't anymore. I can't fake it. I am hurt to the core. And they're catching
And that is how we kick off 2018. I'm gonna try uploading on this channel every single week this year. We'll see how far I get. I've actually got a really big plan tomorrow. And I think this is gonna be kind of stepping it up a notch for the sake of doing risky, adventurous type stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys hanging with that, make you guys kind of sit and wonder what's gonna happen tomorrow. I've never done what I'm gonna do, and I'm just keep adding the suspense on for you guys, so you're really gonna sit there and wonder. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button because we are gonna make this year the best yet for this channel. We are gonna be getting some new gear. We're gonna be stepping up the videos, making bigger, better videos for you guys. So please click the subscribe button, help support this channel. I will see you guys very shortly. Thanks for watching.